How to fix the Klarna "we could not verify your details" error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this verification issue and get back into your account. First, open the Klarna app on your Android device. After that, double check all the information you entered and make sure your full name, date of birth, and address all match exactly what's on your identification document. From there, also make sure you don't have any outstanding payments or unpaid balances on previous Klarna orders, as this can prevent verification from going through. At this point, if everything looks correct, go back to your home screen and long press on the Klarna app icon. In the next step, tap on App Info to open the app settings page. Following this, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Once done, go back to the app info page and tap on Permissions. From here, make sure all the necessary permissions are enabled for the app to function properly. At this stage, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. After this, set it to unrestricted so the app can run without any limitations in the background. Once completed, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. Finally, once your phone boots back up, open Klarna again and try to verify your details once more. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Klarna verification issue on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.